Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you tired of dealing with hair ties that leave dents and break your precious locks? Well, fret no more because today, I'm here to introduce you to the ultimate solution: ribbon hair ties. These little wonders are not only gentle on your hair, but also add a touch of elegance to your look. Join me as we delve into the world of ribbon hair ties and discover the top 5 products that will revolutionize your hair game. At number 1 position, we have Elena Ribbon Hair Ties. Elena Ribbon Hair Ties are a game changer in the world of hair accessories. Crafted from high-quality satin ribbon, these ties offer a luxurious feel and a firm grip without causing any damage to your hair. Key features: with vibrant colors and stylish patterns, Elena Ribbon Hair ties effortlessly elevate any hairstyle. The seamless design ensures a comfortable fit without any pulling or snagging. Benefits and usage: these hair ties are perfect for all hair types and textures. Whether you're rocking a sleek ponytail or a messy bun, Elena Ribbon Hair Ties provide the perfect finishing touch. Plus, they double as chic wrist accessories when not in use. Usability: thanks to their durable construction, Elena Ribbon Hair Ties can withstand daily wear and tear without losing their shape or elasticity. Say goodbye to constantly replacing your hair ties and hello to long-lasting style. Durability: these ribbon hair ties are built to last, ensuring you get maximum value for your money. Whether you're running errands or hitting the gym, Elena Ribbon Hair Ties stay put throughout the day, keeping your hair secure and stylish. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Kitsch Hair Ribbons. Kitsch Hair Ribbons are the epitome of sophistication and style. Made from premium silk ribbon, these ties offer a luxurious feel and a secure hold without causing any damage to your hair. Key features: available in a variety of trendy colors and patterns, Kitsch Hair Ribbons add a touch of glamour to any hairstyle. The smooth texture and sleek finish make them a favorite among fashionistas and beauty enthusiasts alike. Benefits and usage: whether you're attending a formal event or running errands around town, Kitsch Hair Ribbons are the perfect accessory to elevate your look. Simply tie them into a chic bow or wrap them around your ponytail for an effortlessly elegant vibe. Usability: these hair ribbons are incredibly versatile and can be styled in countless ways to suit your mood and outfit. From classic updos to playful half ponytails, Kitsch Hair Ribbons offer endless styling possibilities. Durability: crafted from high-quality materials, Kitsch Hair Ribbons are built to last. Unlike traditional hair ties that stretch out over time, these ribbons maintain their shape and elasticity, ensuring a snug and secure fit with every use. The number 3 position is held by Bianca's Boutique Hair Ribbons. Bianca's Boutique Hair Ribbons are the perfect blend of style and functionality. Made from premium gross-grain ribbon, these ties offer a secure hold without pulling or tugging on your hair. Key features: with a wide range of colors and patterns to choose from, Bianca's Boutique Hair Ribbons allow you to express your unique sense of style. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant hues or subtle pastel tones, there's a ribbon for every mood and occasion. Benefits and usage: these hair ribbons are incredibly versatile and can be styled in countless ways to complement any outfit. From sleek and sophisticated to fun and playful, Bianca's Boutique Hair Ribbons add a touch of personality to every look. Usability: thanks to their durable construction, Bianca's Boutique Hair Ribbons can withstand daily wear and tear without losing their shape or elasticity. Whether you're hitting the gym or heading to the office, these ribbons keep your hair secure and stylish all day long. Durability: unlike traditional hair ties that can break or stretch out over time, Bianca's Boutique Hair Ribbons are built to last. With proper care, they maintain their quality and shape, ensuring long-lasting style and reliability. Next at number 4, we have the Hair Edit Ruched Ribbon Scrunchies. The Hair Edit Ruched Ribbon Scrunchies are a must-have accessory for anyone who loves to experiment with their hair. Made from premium ruched ribbon, these scrunchies offer a unique twist on the classic hair tie. Key features: with their trendy ruched design and stylish patterns, the Hair Edit Ruched Ribbon scrunchies add a touch of texture and dimension to any hairstyle. Whether you're rocking a messy bun or a sleek ponytail, these scrunchies make a statement. Benefits and usage: These scrunchies are incredibly versatile and can be styled in countless ways to suit your mood and outfit. Whether you're heading to a music festival or a night out with friends, the Hair Edit ruched ribbon scrunchies are the perfect finishing touch. Usability. Thanks to their durable construction, these scrunchies can withstand daily wear and tear without losing their shape or elasticity. Whether you're dancing the night away or lounging at home, the Hair Edit ruched ribbon scrunchies keep your hair secure and stylish. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, these scrunchies are built to last. Unlike traditional hair ties that can break or stretch out over time, the Hair Edit ruched ribbon scrunchies maintain their quality and shape, ensuring long-lasting style and reliability. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Reliant Ribbon Tie. The Reliant Ribbon Tie is a game-changer in the world of hair accessories. Made from durable elastic and high-quality ribbon, this tie offers a secure hold without pulling or tugging on your hair. Key features. With its sleek design and subtle sheen, the Reliant Ribbon Tie adds a touch of elegance to any hairstyle. Whether you're rocking a low ponytail or a half-up, half-down look, this tie ensures a polished and put-together vibe. Benefits and usage. This ribbon tie is incredibly versatile and can be styled in numerous ways to suit your personal style. Whether you're getting ready for a day at the office or a night on the town, the Reliant Ribbon Tie is the perfect accessory to complete your look. Usability. Thanks to its durable construction, the Reliant Ribbon Tie can withstand daily wear and tear without losing its shape or elasticity. Whether you're running errands or hitting the gym, this tie keeps your hair secure and stylish throughout the day. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Reliant Ribbon Tie is built to last. Unlike traditional hair ties that can break or stretch out over time, this tie maintains its quality and shape, ensuring long-lasting style and reliability. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 ribbon hair ties that will revolutionize your hair game and leave you looking effortlessly chic every day. Whether you're running errands or hitting the town, these hair ties offer the perfect blend of style, comfort, and durability. So why settle for ordinary hair ties when you can upgrade to ribbon hair ties? Trust me, your hair will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous.